So basically, I'm going to be talking about the targeted drug delivery with platelet mimicking nanophysicals. There's several articles that talk about this, but the first one is about remote loading platelet physicals for disease-targeted delivery of therapeutics. And this is coming from the Department of Pharmaceutical School of Pharmacy from San Diego, University of San Diego, La Jolla. There were several groups of scientists that have worked extensively about this, and they published several articles. So in this one, basically, they're talking about the nanomedicine over several decades evolved to enhance potency and the bioavailability of the drugs, while at the same time minimizing the side effects. So the first generation of nano formulation was approved by FDA, was a Doxil, which is a liposomal doxorubicin, and it's been used to basically encapsulate the drug for the infusion. And since then, several liposomal drugs were also developed and approved for use. But the issue with these particles, basically, they are biologically silent, so they don't have any surface antigen or receptors, or they don't interact with tissues. They do provide drug loading carriers. They do slow the release of the medication, but they don't have the probability, so there's chances for allergic reaction or side effects, or poor interaction with the biological tissues. So since then, the scientists have been looking for an alternative and more better choice for drug delivery system, and they looked at the biological as a source. And what they call it now, the second generation drug delivery, is where they started looking into naturally occurring tissues or cells, namely from the blood, that has the biological activities and formulation similar to the cells of the body. So so then this was also the characteristics of these, that they wanted to have cell mimicking characteristics to facilitate delivery of these nanoparticles, and also to evade the body immune system. Any foreign body or material in the body can activate the immune system, the allergic reactions as well. So first they looked at the RBCs because they're readily available in the blood. They have enormous amount they can take and use it. And some of the nanoparticle actually uses the RBCs as a carrying vehicle for delivery. However, the RBC does not have any surface markers. It doesn't have the surface proteins, the antigen, the receptors. Then they looked at the platelets, which were more interesting because they have all these surface markers, and they in fact they interact with several tissues in the bodies. They interact with the vessel cells, endothelial, but also